Your facility's trash room or trash area is a constant source of malodors. Don't let your trash area get the better of you. Take action with State Trash Chute and Dumpster Cleaner. This concentrated product is unique. It cleans and deodorizes simultaneously. Needing only 5 to 10 minutes of dwell time, it's fast acting as well, meaning it's a quick and easy solution for your cleaning needs in your facility's trash areas. State Trash Chute and Dumpster Cleaner contains a strong odor neutralizer, as well as foaming surfactants with bacteria to digest organics to help control odors. State Trash Chute and Dumpster Cleaner can be used in any facility with a trash room or trash area, like apartments, office buildings, universities, and hospitals. Included with this product is a special foaming attachment which produces foam needed to cling to vertical surfaces. Just hook up to a water source and go. Ensure that the trash areas throughout your facility are clean and odor-free with State Trash Chute and Dumpster Cleaner, a great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.